What's up guys, Cinema Space 4K here. Today we will make a 3D hologram for a smartphone. For this, you need a smartphone itself, a transparent plastic, pair of scissors, a tape or glue, paper and a CD marker. Now let's draw a trapezium out of a paper. The exact measurements are 1 cm on the smallest side, 6 cm on the largest side and 3.5 cm on the middle sides. The drawing will be easier if you use a graph paper instead of a plain white paper that I have used. After you have drawn it, cut using a blunt scissors. Here I have cut it nicely. After cutting it, you need to place this paper on the plastic sheet and then draw a line over it. We are using a CD marker for this purpose, but you can use any permanent marker for this. After you are outlined, we can just cut it out. We need 4 of this, so I am placing it over the plastic sheet itself and again marking it and cutting. Okay guys, here we are. We got 4 of them. I am just gluing it using some tape. First I need to use the super glue, but it failed, so I am using the tape. Okay guys, this is the final product. Now what you need to do is that open YouTube in a smartphone and search for 3D hologram. Play any video in full screen, max out the brightness, sit back and enjoy the show. Also, don't forget to place the hologram on top of the smartphone. Okay guys, this is our final product. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like, share your comments in the comment section.